Composite functions. Another operation which involves functions is obtaining the composite function of two given functions. Given two functions f and g, the composite function denoted by f composed with g is defined by quantity f composed with g of x, or in other form, that is f of g of x. So I suggest you use this format instead of this. So let's have an example. The given functions are f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x, and the other function is g of x is equal to x minus 1. So these are the given functions. First example, we're going to look for f composed with g of x. But again, this is the same with this format, f of g of x. So let's just use this instead of this one. Okay, so first we just have to substitute the value of g of x. In our given, that is g of x is equal to x minus 1. So we will just change g of x to x minus 1. And here, inside the parentheses, that is x minus 1. So f of x minus 1. So in this function, instead of x, you will use x minus 1. So you have to substitute x minus 1 as the values of x. So let's just copy first. 3x squared minus 4x. Okay. So again, next, let's change all x's to x minus 1. So just copy 3 and then change it to x minus 1. And then square minus 4, and then again change it to x minus 1. So lahat ng x napalitan ng x minus 1. So here for x, napalitan siya ng x minus 1. And then just perform the operation. So 3. So if you perform x minus 1 squared, so that is x minus 1, x minus 1. So that is x squared minus x plus 1. So if we simplify this, the answer is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then here we will distribute negative 4 or minus 4 to each term inside the parentheses. So let's start with x. So negative 4 multiplied by x is negative 4x. And the negative 4 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 4. So next, distribute naman natin si 3 to all terms inside the parentheses. So 3 multiplied by x squared. So 3x squared. And then 3 multiplied by negative 2x is negative 6x. And then 3 multiplied by positive 1 is positive 3. And then just copy the next terms. So minus 4x plus 4. Then simplify by combining like terms. So 3x squared. So negative 6x minus 4x. So that is negative 10x. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. Positive 7. So since we cannot simplify anymore 3x squared minus 10x plus 7 because they are different terms, so this will be the final answer. 3x squared minus 10x plus 7. Another example with the same given functions. So instead of f of g of x, let's just change. So nasa labas naman ang g and then of f of x. So g of f of x. Again, this is the same with g of g composed with f of x. So they are just the same. Para mas madali niyo matandaan, g, f, x. Magkakasunod lang sila. So dito, g, f, x. So mas sinusunod lang natin to para mas makita natin yung format o yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng solution. So kung ano yung pinaka nasa loob, ayun ang unahin natin. So let's start with f of x. So yung f of x, gagawin na natin, ito yung value niya o yung equivalent. 3x squared minus 4x. So, pinalitan na natin siya. Then, let's just copy the value of g of x, which is x minus 1. Okay. So, since g of 3x squared minus 4x, we are looking for 3x squared minus 4x as if we substitute it to the value of x. So, we're going to perform the operation after substitution. So, papalitan lang ulit natin si x kung ilan yung nasa loob nito ng parentheses. So, that is 3x squared minus 4x. So, ito yung x natin. Kasi nga, ito yung value ng g of x. And then, just copy minus 1. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung part na to, ito yung x. Pinalitan lang natin kasi ito yung kailangan nating ipalit sa value ng x. And then minus 1. So ayan, dinugtong lang natin si minus 1. So instead of x minus 1, napalitan siya ng 3x squared minus 4x. And then perform the operation. Since we cannot combine any more like terms because there is no like terms. So this will be the final answer. So that is the second example. Next, another example, same function. What if you are looking for f composed with g of negative 2. So here, f, instead of copying x minus 1, we will substitute negative 2 to x to the given function. So it will become negative 2 minus 1. So from x minus 1, since the value of x should be negative 2, so we change x from x to negative 2. So we change x to negative 2. And then, so negative 2 minus 1 becomes f of negative 3. And then, from f of x, so we just copy the function, 3x squared minus 4x. So, papalitan natin lahat yan ng negative 3. So, 3 multiplied by negative 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by negative 3. So, lahat ng x pinalitan natin ng negative 3. Since ayun yung computed value natin sa g of negative 2. And then, 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is 9 minus, so becomes plus 12, because negative 4 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 12. And then 3 multiplied by 9 is 9, 18, 27 plus 12. So perform the equation. 27 plus 12 is 20, 39. So the final answer is 39. So that is composite function. That is how to solve a composite function.